Hi, this is Jason Robinson with KentOhioAuto.com. Just selling this vehicle here. This is a wholesale unit that's getting ready to go to auction. Figured we throw it online for a few days at a really good price. This is a very loaded up unit. It's got a lot of extra parts. It's got the carbon spoiler and hood. It even has the carbon down here. This is a $2,000 hood, and I do have the original hood and the original spoiler. And if you look in the pictures, you can see that this has the original headers that are in the trunk, and then it's got the aftermarkets installed. A lot of good aftermarket equipment, but done very classy. As far as the exterior, I just want to take a couple minutes to go over it. This is about as nice of a Camaro as you're going to find. Really can't see anything to apologize for. I mean, if you're wanting to stick something in your local car show, you may want to come out and look at this thing in person, but this is as clean as you're going to find one. Very, very, very well maintained. Really, I can't even really see anything to apologize for cosmetically. I mean, the thing is just about flawless. So, obviously no dents, no scratches, no rust. Parts are original. There's no paint lines or anything like that. Interior is immaculate. Leather is flawless. Of course, everything works electronically and mechanically. There's a little bit of trim right here. This leather trim that's kind of coming off just in this one corner here. A little bit of the same type of trim right here, just kind of needs pushed back and maybe super glued. It's got the Boston premium audio system, all the bells and whistles and gauges and power moonroof and OnStar, dimming rear view mirrors, the whole 9 yards. See the ad for a list of all the options, side airbags. I'm going to pop the hood here so that you can hear it run real quick. Very quiet up here. Headers are very quiet.
judgment-free zone. Everyone deserves a clean, friendly place to work out. And for $1 down and $10 a month, victory could be yours. Seize the moment and join today.